I'm enacting an executive order that prohibits mortgage lenders from initiating the foreclosure process.
During this public health emergency, Maryland landlords are prohibited from evicting tenants.
So that it's one less heartache they have to worry about when making.
But Councilmember Evan Glass said he was still hearing from residents who had lost their jobs and were worried about paying the rent. This week, a $2 million special appropriation initiated by Councilmember Glass that would provide protection for those renters has been approved by the County Council.
What this $2 million program will do is expand rental assistance programs for people who are falling through the cracks, people who might not have codified leases, people who already are having a hard time paying their monthly rent, which is probably only compounded if they've lost their job or dealing with health ailments. And there are federal programs and state programs, namely uninsurance and the COVID financial assistance that will help a lot of people, but there are a number of people who aren't getting those assistance programs. And that is what this program is designed to support.
In Montgomery County, more than 40% of the residents are renters. The $2 million fund will cover emergency eviction protection and housing stabilization.
The last thing we want is people falling behind on their rent, because that will lead to more people experiencing homelessness and experiencing more economic pain. So the better we can help them at the front end, the better we'll be down the road.
The money will also be used for a short-term rental subsidy program as well as a multilingual hotline.
What we need to do is make sure that county government is able to supply and provide that information to the diverse residents we have. 4 of the 10 most diverse communities in the entire country are here in Montgomery County, and we need our government programs and services to reflect that diversity by providing information in as many languages as possible.
The newly approved funding will be administered through the county's Department of Health and Human Services. Reporting from Rockville, I'm Susan Kenedy.